On to the world of business now, where amid growing US China tensions, US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has in fact said that trade talks between the two countries are a bit stalled, in his words, pushing for a call between President Donald Trump and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping to reach a deal, in fact. Now, Bessent believes more talks will happen with Chinese officials in the next few weeks, and also sees the personal involvement of both countries' leaders as crucial for the talks to progress. Now, this comes as the Trump administration announced it would in fact start revoking some Chinese student visas. It's a move that Beijing has called discriminatory. Meanwhile, Washington has also introduced new restrictions on sales of chip design software and reportedly some jet engine parts to China as well. Nippon Steel has said that it plans to invest nearly 870 billion yen to introduce electric furnaces at its 3 domestic plants to reduce carbon emissions. According to the company, Japan's government plans subsidies as much as 251 billion yen of the steelmakers' decarbonization efforts focused on 3 plants by the 2029 fiscal year, in fact. Over to the US, where the Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday voluntarily dismissed its civil lawsuit against Binance. It's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, for prospective viewers, extending the regulator's new approach to cryptocurrencies since President Donald Trump returned to the White House for a second term. The dismissal by the SEC comes 2 days after the agency accused Binance of illegally serving US users and misusing customer funds as well. The SEC was the last major regulator still pursuing Binance after a $4.3 billion settlement with the US government last year that also saw founder Changpeng Zhao plead guilty and step down.